In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix Pebble Mouse 2M350S not connecting. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you have this particular mouse model from Logitech and it is not connecting itself to another device, follow the instructions in this video and you will be able to have it fixed. So the main thing is that you have to check the mouse itself. Now, of course, ensure that it has sufficient power and a battery included. So if needed, remove the top case and insert a battery into this compartment. Once it is inserted, close it back up, ensure that the battery has enough power, it is fully functional, everything is good. And now, power on the mouse. This will be done by using this slider, and usually if you want a Bluetooth connection, it must be placed at the top, like this. So first, try positioning it here at the top, and to actually enable pairing mode, so it looks for nearby devices to pair with, press and hold this button at the right. When you press and hold this button, like I said before, the mouse is going to go into pairing mode. This prompts it to look for nearby devices that it can connect into. It can connect to 3 devices simultaneously, so if you have more than 3, it could be another reason on why it isn't working. But once you press this button down and you see the LEDs flash, it indicates that it is looking for nearby devices. If you see the LED blink green, usually this will also indicate that the mouse is trying to connect via the USB receiver. And if you want to use Bluetooth, then you have to put it in the other position. So depending on which position this slider is set to, it is either going to try to connect to the USB receiver, the Logi Bolt, or it is going to use Bluetooth. So if you want Bluetooth, the LED should be blinking with a blue light. So make sure that the LED is blinking blue. And if it is blinking blue, then it means that it can be found when you go to Bluetooth devices on your PC, laptop, on your phone, and you choose the option to connect with the mouse. And then after you select it, it is going to be fully functional completely wirelessly. Restart your device if it isn't finding the Pebble mouse, and after everything is done, you will be good to go. Now, before I end the video, I want to make it very clear that when I was looking at the channel metrics the other day, I noticed that 83% of you are not subscribed. If you subscribe, you can help us bring you the best solutions possible, just like in this video. So I highly count on your help. Consider subscribing. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.